volume as 0. Therefore, the new sound was not coming. Now we have changed the bike volume from the app itself, and therefore you can see that the sound is coming for the bike.
The revolt sounds that coming. That's the power button out here. With Mr. Saurabh, who is looking after the software part of Revolt. Congratulations, Saurabh, for the beautiful product. Help us navigate through the app, but all it can do, and the AI part a bit.
The app actually works to show you all the information about the device. So here you can see that the GPS signal is currently not available. But if the signal was available, it will show you the map. It also shows you that what is the current battery, and it also shows you what is the range that is available in that mode. If you change it to normal, this shows you that the estimated range in normal mode would be 72 kilometers, while you can see that if I go in sports mode, I will be going to 52 kilometers with the 65% battery. So it gives you an estimation of if you want to switch on, and if you are a low on battery, you can switch to eco mode and see how much you can go through. The other changes in the app is that you can have the sound functionality. In the sound functionality, you can directly change the sound of the device, the bike, through your app. It gives you a way of geofencing. So the geofencing cannot be set because currently the location is unknown. But if the bike location is known, you can set your geofencing to some radius, and once it goes out of the radius, it will give you a notification that the geofencing has been.
So how do you see the future of Revolt taking place in India?
See, when we launched, we said Revolt is a revolution, and it was a revolution in terms of it was a design revolution, it was an engineering revolution, and today in terms of our go-to market, I think we have done a price revolution.
Indeed, battery was one of the major concern as far as e-vehicles are concerned, two-wheeler, four-wheeler. I think you have removed the very notion or barrier for the batteries.
Certainly, see, when people used to buy or was thinking of buying EV, then they see everybody calculates in this country, and the first calculation was how much do I have to pay for battery after 1 year or maybe 2 or 3 years, because more than 3 years nobody is giving. And then certainly people start doing their comparison, and how much do I have to spend on petrol versus this, and that's how. So we said, why do you have to keep on doing this calculation? A battery is a battery. We are taking care of this battery in terms of whatever technology we have been using. So our battery will is unlimited, and the star what you have see is around 1,50,000 kilometers. I don't see two-wheelers seldom will do 1,50,000 kilometers. So I think providing this battery as unlimited will take all those fears of the mind of the consumers, which were stopping them to go on to EVs, and so we wanted to make EVs affordable for everyone.